Proverbs 3 verses 5 and 6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding." So today we're going to apply that as we look at the solutions to our ADMAT 2017 coordinate geometry problems, and those two sums will be 22 and 23. So let's go straight into our questions for today. So in question 22, we are asked to determine the point P such that P is the point of intersection between two lines. And let's write down the equations of the lines. So we are looking at question 22. So your first equation is 7x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0. Let's call that line 1, equation 1. And the second equation is 3x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Let's call that equation 2. Now, basically what's happening here is that you have two lines will be intersecting, and we are asked to find that point of intersection, which is the point P identified in the question. So we're going to use, from equation 2, we can use the method of substitution. And we're going to make y the subject of the equation. So we can transpose y, and it becomes 3x minus 5 equals to y. So this is the equation that we'll substitute, 4y into equation 1. So let's replace y in equation 1 by this expression. And the expression we are replacing y by is 3x minus 5, because y is equal to 3x minus 5. So let's see what we get. Wherever we see y in equation 1, we're going to replace it by that expression. Equation 1 becomes 7 minus 4, open brackets, 3x minus 5 plus 25 equals to 0. Now, we need to be careful when we're expanding, especially when we have our negative signs and so on. So let's proceed. So it's minus 4 by 3 gives us minus 12x, minus 4 by minus 5 plus 20 equals, right? So you notice we need to also add our 25 before we put equal to 0. So let's fix that. Okay, so we're going to simplify. 7x minus 12x gives us minus 5x plus 45 equals 0. So solving for x, we get minus 5x equals minus 45. So x will be minus 45 divided by minus 5, giving us 9, plus 9. So we're going to proceed to solve for y now. So we're going to go back to equation. Let's go to equation 3. From equation 3, we already have an expression for y, and we are told that y is equal to 3x minus 5. So y equals 3 by 9. Right, let's make sure we write down this thing properly. We are solving for y. Right, minus 5. So y gives us 27 minus 5. Y equals 22. Right, so that point P up here will have coordinates of 9, 22. Right, so that'll be the answer, and it will be answer C in this case.